Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to secure your Coinbase account. Securing your Coinbase account will make it harder for anyone to try and hack into your account. To do this, all you need to do is head over to the Coinbase website and log in. Once you've logged in, click up on the top right in your account and click Manage Account. From here, head over to Security, click on 2FA Settings. Once you're on the 2FA Settings tab, make sure to at least have one of these options set up here. For example, Authenticator app, security keys, security prompt, or passkey. Whichever one is better for you. This just makes it more safe, so for example, if someone wants to log into your account, they would need to have your phone and Authenticator app open in order for them to be able to log in. You can also click on this, which it requires the two-factor authentication, for example, like the Authenticator app, when Coinbase recommends it. For example, if you're withdrawing money to your account, or buying a certain crypto, selling a certain crypto, etc. If you think your account has been hacked into, you can come over here to Lock Account and click on Lock Account. This way, no one can access your account even if they're already signed in. And then from there, you can contact customer support to help you remove anyone who's on your account, who shouldn't be on it, and then change your password. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.